Hello everyone, you're welcome to Edo Tafia Amipo YouTube channel, the best place for your news, entertainment and excitement. If this is your first time of coming to this channel, don't hesitate to subscribe to us, and while you are there, please click on the notification bell so that next time when we drop any video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you so much and God bless you.
I'm making you buy it. You buy out. I'm making you buy it. You buy out. You buy out. Udeni of you buy out. Oh, I'm udeni sian. Abamana be every day. Udeni of you buy. I'm making you buy it. Udeni of you buy. Abamana buwa. Everyone buwa.
Ijore may go buy ticket, come go home. Ijore not let me rest, oh. May I tell you now what happen? Ijore ma get back on me. May I let me not tell my brother, sister, me not they come. If not day 2000 now, see what Ijore. I will bring the picture when me and Ijore snap for hotel. Me not see, because I dey fear, but I don't tell my lovely wife. I don't tell her today, say, Dali, I go knock the words. I go knock the words, say, what I? So, you when I now, ah? When I go ali me wa. Ina tama we di Munich. Walk bene, yegeni. Ijoro we, imanari hotel, yegbe wa. Ijore bi me manari hotel gbegbe wa gani o ma ki ogun ba o. O ma ki ogun ba. O ma ki ogun ba. Oh, while I tell live video. Suppose you never marry. Now you are go marry. Now you are go marry every time. Ah. What you sunu? Ijore ave do fame wa. No me do wa me to ta. You suppose never marry. Now you are go marry. Suppose never marry. Now you are go marry. Suppose never marry. Now now we your time. Ijore afamwa. Ijore afamwa. Ijore ato. Ijore ga se ni we gbe live video. Unwege nani. Okpa lowo ne. Oyewo ne. Osaka ne. So let me go there. Ijore Omoze and the Kabah. And the cabal that killed a white man in Paris. In Paris. Yes, let me go there. The blind people cannot see. There is difference between light and darkness. Iyore Omoze and Shentro boyfriend, Igbo boy, Igbo small boy, killed the white husband to Iyore Omoze in France because of property. Iyore Omoze in France was not in love with the white husband just because of she need documents, she need property, she want to enrich herself, and he has a boyfriend, black Igbo boyfriend, married to another woman outside Paris and in Nigeria. Outside Paris and in Paris, he has a woman.
Hello.
Hello. Monomo.
Ah, Baba.
Wato.
La Baba. Testimony.
Okay.
You want testimony?
Okay. Oh, I see. You ain't going there.
A testimony, Mure. But that's one like who give. He's not there. We are not there. You was by bear, my way, my kuno, my baby. Now one with bucket in our yak way. If when I call your many Lumo, that's for me. I'm back as well. Panic and web, Baba. That mommy, what I know, man. You know where that street, you know where we can Daddy, now we're last month.
Who will give
Just so my people, now welcome back to Edota Family Boy YouTube channel. How not day? I hope so everything they okay, everybody they okay. Now so make we give thanks and praises to God Almighty. Yes, now so it be. So today na weekend and I'm not saying on Saturday, so we want to use this media to wish everybody a very happy weekend and prosperous new week ahead. And so that will just be my people. So today's presentation now with the feature. So this presentation I did a little bit different, you get me? So because a lot of people come the one that say why the money they bully people, and at the same time if you just want money from people, you can start to castigate their names and things like that, go they bully them, you get me? And most of these people will be saying they bully, some of them if you be like say they hold the money, will be say they want to settle them, you get me? So I know I see here now, we not say we they bring everything, so we can't really dig into the past, you get me? So we say, I first celebrate say if you bring 5 years old videos here, if you bring 7-year-old videos here, if it did necessary, you get me? So because the waiting at the movie they do on social media, we say they bully people and you like say they demand money from them. We say a lot of people we say you don't bully, and some of people we say don't bully. Unfortunately, some of them are women, you get me? So some of them don't still fall into this they don't still dig themselves into some kind of problem. So we say they don't take themselves out of them. Now, no waiting they there. Some of these people now, of course, Yore, you get me? So, in fact, many people may just get many people, but however, this one will be say one present now, but Yore, the way waiting really make Yore, right? What really make Yore give him money? That 1 million naira, we be say I can't give him. We be say from then on the movie can't stop. And the one thing we be say that bully, we say with the call bully, so or whatever, maybe like blackmail or something like that. Or if you still be like say bully, you get me? So you know they ever finish, you don't go finish from the movie. And as long as say in their life and the same time money don't discuss from your hand, and we say you need money to do whatsoever, then you go start again until that person will come like say the person is just in there on that person payroll. And I know what me payroll. Somebody will say they pay somebody like say you be employee, like say na him be your employer, and you say like say maybe they work for them, you know what I mean? But now so that one just be because it can't still be like what happen to them. Now some other people will say we don't want to mention here, we go mention those people in other videos, but as long as say this video not concern those people, so we just focus on the Yore. We say what really make Yore give it the monthly 1 million naira, and at the same time I mean how much you don't give it the monthly since then, because if you never give it, I mean, we know say she don't implement that money, like she don't the kind of no where money where they collect money and go finish, so you still put there. So now be waiting. They always say they don't come they talk that one come out again. Now that one just be waiting. So you want to show what you wanted then, what you did then. I'm saying we want to bring some of the videos or some of the clip rather. You get me? So we say the movie do. This time we say he really want me. Yore concert one man. The Yore be not so come before, but later Yore not come fit bear the hit again. I said the movie they discover one of them every day and they discover any way. We say he can't so come to the movie's demand, so he can't give him money. First give him I don't know whether na 400,000 naira first give him or whatever, but the money not reach. So he can't. She just can't give her the complete amount. She can't give her 1 million naira. At the same time, whether it's they do other things for her, maybe at the movie go do birthday or whatever, at the movie they celebrate anything at all. A year ago, always they really be part of them. They help them financially and things like that. So I'm not gonna know the final agreement because not be only that 1 million naira. Everything just end like that. No. You go to you go to pay our dues, adjust dues, maybe every 2 months or every 3 months. And so just be in any way make we just jump into the videos or some of the clip. You know what I mean? We compile them together. Some of the clip will be say the money for the bully Yore. Time we say Yore never succumb to his demand. We say he want me Yore concert with money. But in any which way, because he don't even talk and say na he help Yore just na he help Yore project or something. Na he help him fund and na he give him the technique. Na he make we say Yore come out. So he come like say right from time as they talk say this say and birds of the same feather flock together, you get me? So now really true say okay, and I know where they go say Yore and the muffin did the same lane, did the same compound, and the same thing hold them. Where this one for they at fault, and this one they at fault. I know where they go, so I know everyone mention all those things here, and I be waiting to them. So my people, that time don't reach now. Make we just join these people as they once really start as one really start to the exposing, and so it just be. And then some of the people the ways be say they still pull man. These people and the people be say they fight. And I'll see it as small clip. You will be say, you know, go here and inside. These people, I see some people will be say they fight for the land of Edo. I know what's in there now. So my people, as one just start to the hear them now. You get me? So me, Papa go continue to the bless on our family. When I hear me now, do well. Bye bye.
Be me go first. Yore may go buy ticket. Come go home. If you don't let me rest, so may I tell you now what happen? Yeah. Yore ma jẹ́ pé ọkàn mi Me I tell my brother, sister, me na they come. If na day 2000, I'll see what in Ijore. I will bring the picture where me and Ijore snap for hotel. Me na see, because I dey fear, but I don't tell my lovely wife. I don't tell her today, say, Dali, I go knock the words. I go knock the words, say, what I? So Ijore when I yana, ah, when I go ali me wa. Ina tama we di Munich. Walk bene, yegeni. Ijoro we imanari hotel ye gbegbe wa. Ijoro we me manari hotel ye gbegbe wa yegeni o ma ki ogun ba o. O ma ki ogun ba. O ma ki ogun ba. Oh, while I tell live video. Suppose you never marry. Now you are go marry. Now you are go marry every time. Ah. What you sunu? Ijore have to farm wa. No way to do war to ta. You suppose never marry. Now you are go marry. Suppose never marry. Now you are go marry. Suppose never marry. Now now we the time. Ijore afam wa. Ijore afam. Ijore ato. Ijore ka se ni we gbe live video. Umwege nani. Okpalowo ne. Oyewo ne. Osaka ne. So let me go there. Iyore Omoze and the Kaaba. And the Kaaba that killed a white man in Paris. In Paris. Yes, let me go there. The blind people cannot see. There is difference between light and darkness. Iyore Omoze and Shentro boyfriend, Igbo small boy, killed the white husband to Iyore Omoze in France because of property. Iyore Omoze in France was not in love with the white husband just because of she need documents, she need property, she want to enrich herself, and he has a boyfriend, black Igbo boyfriend, married to another woman outside Paris and in Nigeria. Outside Paris. And in Paris, he has a woman.
Hello.
Hello. Monomo.
Ah, Baba.
Wato.
La Baba. Testimony.
Okay.
You need testimony.
Okay. Oh, I see. You ain't going there.
A testimony, Mure. But that's one like who give. He's not there. We are not there. You was by bear, my way, my kunu, my baby, by no one will back at Chinawa. If when I call your man, you won't get that for me. I'm back as well. Panic away, Baba. That mommy, what no man. You know where last week, you know where week, you know where you know where last month.
Who will get you there? When I bet, when I got you, when I got you, Matana, don't when I got you, can't knock by you. No, I'm not going to go to Laho. Oh, Mama. Who were last week? You're not aware. You're what is that? Mommy, you're testimony na boni any time, mommy. Time down. Awo me gba ya gbe bo wa. O me gba ya gbe bo wa. Gbọ́dọ̀ ìwájú wa me gbe wa.
Owi gbo ni re na te wa no gbe wa. Owi gbo ma ti wa me na te wa fi you wa. Baba na ni are bi gwe gbo na. E po wu ma ba bi gbo ga gbe. E pa ti no netere. Ina gbe no dere la bi. Everybody would not like video and not drag bear. Oh, my God, a finally would not. Oh, God of Fiore. He make your son. Oh, Mamma Bay. If he make Poco, a God of Fiore. And we ever would not. He go. He my boy, Jebuletti. While I say, oh, God of Fiore.
Every time I say, for supposing this man never married, this Eddie Murphy, where they talk. If you never married, you forgo marry. What do you use that one on me? Me on the list, yo. Wait till I keep since all these years. I want to be there. Wait till you use that one on me. I did my house, He just call me. He say, "Pass wait till I did now. Wait till I talk for live video." Iboma wa kill me on I say, Me I to get wife. And even though I don't get wife, I don't still marry you. Why? Because you don't do road work. And not be only that, now person bring you come, that person you put down for prison. You get bad mind. You say, "Ipa, see what you just tell me. If I forget that one, this Igbo man, he don't tell me, say, he want kid you Igbo." I say, but I tell him, say, yes, I not get hand. Me, I not get hand. If you want kill her, why you go kill her? I say, because of the house. Because the house big, well. The house big, long for ground. Now go see the Oyibo. Now go see the Daki sometimes. He go there. Down. This man, they were living in the same house with that white man. With that white man. Then the Igbo man say, no, they give her food again. Then Yoresi called me. Say, see what Igbo man talk. Say, make I know they give her food. Now, when they don't give her food again, the man collapse. As he wake up, he don't feel they walk again. All the vein, everything don't go down. So they don't still go buy new keke where they take the dry person. They go carry one Igbo man. No. You know wow. You're the bawe. Ebony ati ya fe nwa de ya bume ne social media de ya bume e ya power be na because of any came media na che wewe era daddy the live video eniga agbegu enu e obungbe eniga agbegu enu e today I'm going to fire you A to Z. You never know me. If you know me, you will say, this man me cannot find trouble. You know for my trouble. But as you carry that black man, as the man still do rich, you still carry him. Go bury ground. Go see bury that white. If not you, your brother. If not your brother, they do that kind of thing too. You go happy, you don't get brother for Cologne, yeah? May your brother die. May the wife carrying boyfriend still go bury her. Men I know say what you now do two of now. I know he forgive you for life. Because I now don't start this thing. Because Nigerian people, one don't say before you know, more people, sheep, there were 100 of them. They will say but the reason of they not go check out. They not go check out. Now that's me and the verse puts. So, may you not listen you. I for not father, no concern me. But the concern when concern me, they don't swear. our palace don't swear for her. Say, if you no can respect our kingdom for waiting use your mouth talk, say na bad thing go dey happen to her. And they happen to her so. He says swear not the follow person. Swear don't the follow person now. Swear don't their body now. Okay. Now so they do both of them. Now they called me, they disturbed me. Make I come Paris. I don't first talk this thing. Half of it, I don't finish them. Make I come Paris. My wife can't dream. For us, it never starts salt and water. It never starts that salt and water. When I invite her, come. When I invite her, but not press anything for my face because you'll be over your bar. I should never go respect the palace. If you try, if you use fake, I can't take on. You don't get anything to swear for. You don't get rice. You don't get padania. Wait till you get now that yellow. That yellow, now until they confuse our sisters. They go just see and they say, this woman yellow, because many of them will be human trafficking and prostitute. They like yellow. Well, now made they buy Carol White till they bleach all their body. They want make our men, correct men, make it they see them, because if they're not yellow, they not see them. If they're black like me, they don't go see them. If they're yellow, then they will say, this woman fine. So many of them want to turn to yourself to yellow. So if they see yellow woman, see, they feel it yourself. They go say this woman is the best. They go say this woman is their God. So make any yellow boy just come out just now. Now make some of our boys till they do go they buy bleach cream till they clean their body because they like yellow dye. They fit put their head, they cook for them. Any boy now we don't fine. We not fine, even though you get money, you know, see our guests, you know what they talking about them. But even though you don't get money, fine. He's yellow. You see, I go, hey, our guests, those pros go come and say, now me be the wife. Now me be your Okoro wife. Now me be your Satuame wife. Make them see, say, they go look down to Satuame and they say, this boy, they answer. That is what they want. If they see black boys where he even get that money, but they not fine. Our guests, not they go there. Some of our guests will say, this boy, no. I don't want him. This man shall evil. Ever good. Say this man shall not be tried. They talk. Well, I don't use a caro white. He had to wahia wulele. Well, I mean, mana nene fofuana. Well, we're about to now. Oh, God, it's about even Mercedes Bessie, not a Lajana. And Wakata where we are now. Because oh, work me one a banner why musi. Okay, your wife did. Why you know they try? Ray King, what's the name? You know, if you marry that kind of my wife is special. If you talk about white caring you, they care. Well. Everything 100%. And then make I qualify her. A daughter of a billionaire, a daughter of a trillionaire. Easy. Beg. Make I talk. Make I they tell now something. Me they hear. So, Iyore almost as it disturbed me rich, it can't hotel. He go hotel without my wife notice. Now she say that time, one time. He go hotel for book 1 year. Spend 3 days. I want to expose her. Jore, e benu yare, emi yanu yare, ya bie ya. Ya expose you. I'm going to expose you now. You make my worry. When I make my worry. When I jore. When the guan, you got guan. The word I'm a bog boy. The word I'm a bog boy. Ya tell me now. Ya do bie ya la dia. Avec documents ya fait nous ya di hotel ya be bukoma. Imam Yasin. On y quoi alors? Imam Yasin je regarde. Imami ya. You have lodge hotel for 3 days. Una yame miami wa. Una yame miami miya. Una yame miami egbe. Una yame miami omo. Yo de gwen do ta. Yo de gwen do ta. Yo re egwen gwo magbon. Iga gwo magbon. Agbon amobogbo e. Inu yame o. Una beta. He just still tell me say when she reach house, Owigbo look for rhinoceros. Owigbo be one die. Owigbo come and tell her say you go see a D. Owigbo come force her come out for live video. Owigbo come force Iyore out from live video. Come they talk. He said, you know, see John Osage is a good man. You know, see this one is a good man. That Eddie. I say. It don't knock. It be don't knock. Now they know.
I give me Billy Yobo. I make you buy you buy out. I make you buy it. Will you buy out? You buy out. Who didn't you feel why I? Oh, I'm doing this here. Obama not bad. I will repay. Who didn't you feel why? I make you buy it. Who didn't you feel why?
Hello guys, you're welcome back. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and while you are at that, don't forget to click on the notification bell so that next time when my video drops, you will be notified. And one more thing I'd like to say is that if there's anything that you guys would like me to change, like an addition or an increase to anything I'm doing with my video production, or like a reduction or decrease or take away from my video production, don't hesitate to leave your comment or your suggestion, your opinions on the comment section. And believe me, I read every comment and I'll know what changes to be made. Thank you all so much for watching once again. Bye.